Why is it that some people keep getting richer, while others keep struggling no matter how hard they try? The truth is, it's not just luck. Rich people think and act differently. And today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful things they do that you can start doing right now. 1. They focus on income, not just saving. The first thing rich people do differently is they focus on increasing their income, not just saving money. Poor and average people often try to cut expenses to survive, but rich people ask a different question. How can I make more money? Instead of just budgeting, they build multiple streams of income, side hustles, businesses, or investments. Saving is good, but it won't make you rich alone. If you really want to grow, you need to start thinking about how to earn more. 2. They invest in skills. The second thing rich people do is invest in skills. They understand that money follows value. Instead of spending on things that don't grow them, they learn high-income skills, like communication, marketing, writing, or digital skills. The more valuable you become, the more money you can earn. Poor people often wait for opportunities. Rich people prepare themselves for opportunities. 3. They take action. The third difference is simple, but powerful. Rich people take action. They don't wait until everything is perfect. They don't wait until they feel ready. They start small, they make mistakes, and they learn as they go. Most people stay stuck because they overthink, doubt themselves, and never start. But success comes from action, not just ideas. So if you really want to change your financial life, remember this. Focus on increasing your income, invest in your skills, and take action, no matter how small. 4. They control their spending smartly. Another thing rich people do differently is they control their spending, but not in a fearful way. They don't just spend money to impress people. They don't chase lifestyle. They build assets first. While many people upgrade their lifestyle as soon as they get money, rich people delay gratification. They invest first, grow their money, and then enjoy the rewards. That's why you'll see someone earning little trying to look rich, and someone building wealth, living simple, but growing strong. Point 5. They make money work for them. The fifth thing rich people do is they make their money work for them. Instead of only working for money, they invest their money so it keeps growing, even when they are not working. This can be through small investments, businesses, or digital income streams. The goal is simple. Don't just earn money. Build systems that keep paying you. Because real wealth is not about how hard you work. It's about how smart your money works for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe now, because I'm going to show you step by step how to start making money from zero.